hayi manje ngicela ukushayela uNono Santos izandla.
What happened?
Hayi mshayela izandla uNono. Yeah, no, mina Shane mfethu I'm a fan of beautiful football mfethu. Irrespective ukuthi udlala kuyiphi team, whether udlala kuMagesi, ukumtsipe championship, ABC Motsipe League, DDC, GDL angimshayela izandla. I think especially international player. That guy mfethu loyamchita ibhola uyalazi, and I'm sure so many if you bring an international player and then our players need to learn, these are the type of players that you can make example yabo. Ayesha their position out and he hardly lose the ball, forward passes. Ubheke amagoli ayithu we-Sundowns, he find uLeon aye wathatha uRave Ramisa ku-VR, both goals. It tells ngevision umchita nayo.
Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.